Here comes another new tablet from Honor. Tawag sa kanya is the Honor Pad 9. Itong tablet nito is being powered by the Snapdragon 6 Gen 1. Meron siya 8,300 mAh na battery, 2.5K na display with eye protection. And probably pinaka-favorite ko dito is 8 ang kanyang speakers dito sa tablet na ito. And meron din siya kasamang keyboard, by the way. Pag-usapan natin kung sulit nga ba siya. Now, itong bagong tablet ni Honor na may 8 plus 8 gigs of RAM and 256 GB of storage will be priced at $15,999. And kung sinama mo itong keyboard bundle na ito, it would come at $17,999. Official link on the description box below. Now, one of the good things dito sa tablet na ito is that maganda ang kanyang design. It has a aluminum metal finish dito sa likod, aluminum metal finish din ang kanyang side frames, and meron din siyang Corning Gorilla Glass protection dito sa harap. I'm not quite sure kung anong glass level. It would give you a additional layer of scratch resistance. And to my surprise, this one is not really that heavy. And ang bigat nito is just 555 grams, which sounds just like a sardines brand dito sa Pilipinas. Probably the next thing na tatanong mo sa akin, meron mga SIM slot itong tablet na ito. Well, honestly, I would love sana na magkaroon siya ng SIM slot, no? But sad to say, wala siyang SIM card slot. So you really have to depend on your tethering or your pocket Wi-Fi. Now, ang processor nito is a Snapdragon 6 Gen 1. On day-to-day tasks, I would say okay na okay naman siya. You don't really need too much of a powerhouse na processor dito sa loob ng tablet kasi hindi ka naman mag-heavy gaming dito eh. Lahat naman ng multitask na ginawa ko dito, kayang-kaya naman niyang ibigay sa akin nang walang problema. Binigyan naman siya ni Antutu ng 488,000 points. Ito ang kanyang breakdown scores. 612 naman ang kanyang loop score dito sa One Level Extreme and 99% ang stability. Ito score niya sa Geekbench sa kanyang CPU benchmarking and ito naman sa kanyang GPU benchmarking. Maganda naman kanyang thermals, no? Throttle to 95% na kanyang maximum performance. Now, ito tablet ito comes together with a 8,300 mAh of battery and can support up to 35 watts na fast charging. And charging from 0 to 100 takes you around mga 2 hours and 10 minutes to finish the full charging cycle. And kaya naman na magtagal ng one whole day without any problem. As long as you're using it normally, kayang-kaya naman one whole day. And nung sinalang ko sa PC Mark na battery stress test, under 50% brightness and 60Hz na screen refresh rate, binigyan ako ng 10 hours na screen on time, which is for me, pretty not bad na. Now, itong tablet ito is a 12.1-inch na IPS LCD. Meron siyang 120Hz of screen refresh rate, and this one has a 2.5K na display with eye protection. And the maximum brightness nito is 500 nits. Probably not going to be the nicest tablet na pwede mong gamitin right under the direct sunlight. Now, when I'm using this one indoor, most of the time, naka-social media ko, checking Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and other social media sites. Scrolling around ka lang dito is definitely going to be smooth and fast thanks to its 120Hz of screen refresh rate. Wala kang magiging problema dito pag mahilig ka sa social media. Now, kung ang hilig mo naman is manood ng mga videos dito sa tablet na ito, meron din siyang wideband level 1 na security level nung chinek ko siya sa DRM info. So, meaning you can watch HD on this tablet. Ang ganda ng kanyang display, not as good as yung mga AMOLED display, but it's good enough for day-to-day consumption. Now, since pinagmamalaki ni Honor na may 8 speakers dito sa tablet na ito, ang kanyang volume, let's see kung gaano kalakas. Mabibigay nga ba ako? Check natin. 8 speaker, definitely malakas. So I did try to play 2 games dito sa tablet na ito, Call of Duty Mobile and Farlight 84. And these are the maximum graphical settings na pwede natin magamit dito. And Call of Duty Mobile, expect mo magandang graphics dito, walang problema. I was able to play 30 minutes. Nilagay ko na sa table, no, and ginamit ko mga fingers ko to control it. Hindi ko siya ginamit na hawakan ko siya medyo nakakangawit. But rather, tinry ko uli putting on my table to play, and the gameplay was good. Immersive siya, and I would say na sobrang ganda ng kanyang graphics dito. to the point na wala ka naman feel na lag and ma-enjoy mo talaga mga VR matches and mga rank matches dito sa Call of Duty Mobile. Na pagdating mo sa Farlight 84, pwedeng mo nga siya iset to all high settings. But the problem naman sa kanya is that all high settings nga siya, pero maglalag siya, ma-feel mo talaga mga frame drop. So, binabaan ko siya sa HD to give me a better, smoother experience dito. And indeed, it was a lot smoother. But there's still a minor frame drops dito na mafe-feel mo talaga. And the overall gameplay was good. And after playing for 1 hour and several VR matches dito, very immersive ang gameplay dito. And what I like dito is malakas ang sounds niya. So, talagang mag-i-enjoy ka. And pinakamainit na na-achieve na dito is around mga 45 to 46 degrees Celsius based sa aking Milesy na thermal scanner. Napag-usapan na natin ang camera nitong tablet na ito. One of the funniest thing dito is that nandito siya sa gitna pag naka-landscape ang iyong tablet. It's quite odd enough na probably the first time na nakita ko na ganito ang placement ng isang camera module sa isang tablet. Normally, makita mo nandito sa kanto, no? Kasi you're expecting people to hold the tablet like this. But there are a lot of people also holding it like this, lalo kung nagtitake ng pictures. So, binago ni owner ka ng camera placement, putting it on the middle pag nakahiga ang iyong tablet. Now, itong tablet na ito has a 13MP na main camera sensor with an aperture of 2.0. And surprising, this one can shoot you up to 4K and 30. And again, the front-facing camera is a 8MP na main camera sensor which can only shoot you up to 1080 and 30. Okay, so I'm not really the type of person na mahilig mag-picture using a tablet. For demonstration's sake, ginawa ko naman nag-take ako ng some photos inside a coffee shop. Mabilis mag-focus tong kanyang camera except that pag mga moving object like humans, medyo hirap lang siya kasi hindi naman siya katulad ng mga high-end smartphone which can track ng mga fast-moving na object like humans. Kasi maganda namang picture dito sa painting na ito and it looks really nice and sharp. And taking some bean shot dito, I would say not so bad, pero pag zoom in mo, medyo a little bit grainy siya. Now, taking a figurine shot dito kay Minnie Mouse, I would say okay, clear, sharp, ang ganda photo, and maganda pagka-focus na dito sa subject, and maganda rin maganda pagka-background blur. Taking some photos sa mga merge is very sharp, okay na okay ang ganda photo. So, tinry ko naman gamitin ka ng zoom lens, this is a normal shot, and this is a 2x zoom shot. I would say the subject is clear pag hindi mo siya zoom, pag zoom mo, medyo a little bit grainy na siya. Now, using its front-facing camera to take some photos, I would say okay, clear. Kahit yung background ko, no, clear pa rin mga tao dito sa likod ko, which is to my surprise. Kung medyo low light, mapapansin mo, it might underperform a bit. But on most occasion, pag maganda naman iyong ilaw, okay na okay naman ang picture using the front-facing camera. So expect this one to be good when you're using it for live streaming or conferencing. Panalo naman ka ng camera. No, so taking a quick video dito using the front-facing camera while walking, to my surprise, it's a bit stable. Medyo a little bit jerky pero hindi ganun kagarapal. Now using the rear camera, taking a 4K video, yan, mapapansin mo shaky siya. But normally when you're using a tablet, you rarely take a video using the rear camera. But I'd say the video is quite sharp. Now, kamusta naman aking day-to-day usage itong tablet na ito? I would say okay na okay siya. I was able to multitask dito sa tablet na ito. I'm not quite sure kung meron ka mabibiling pen for this one, but definitely having a pen might be a lot useful. And lalo sa mga creative, sa mahilig mag-drawing, it would definitely be a plus. And for the students na mahilig mag-take note using a pen, it's going to be very helpful. But together with the bundle na keyboard dito sa tablet na ito, I would say it's better kasi mas madali mag-take down ng notes, mag-type sa Word, sa Excel, or sa PowerPoint. You definitely enjoy it faster kasi I'm still not the type of person na mahilig mag-type on a virtual keyboard. The camera is not so bad this tablet na ito and the battery life is pretty good. So could I recommend tong tablet na ito, si Honor Pad 9? Definitely recommend ko sa inyo to get the one with a keyboard bundle. Mas sulit siya. So if you guys want to know kung saan nyo pwede mabili itong tablet na ito, I'll be linking on the description box below. And if you like this video, don't forget to share it to your friends. And of course, a sub to this channel would definitely be honorable. I'll see you in the next one. And so, ako pala si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.